Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. So we are starting trigonometry. So today we shall be looking at trigonometry part 1. Now there's a question for us on the board. It reads, find the value of tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree over tan 60 degree plus tan 30 degree. Now, how do we solve this question? Let's go. Solution. Now, we have an angle like this. Is a triangle, and there is angle what? Angle 90 degree. Now, here is 60 degree, okay? Here is 2, here is 1, and here is what? Root 3. Now, using SOHCAHTOA, all right? Now, I want to find sine 60 degree, cos 60 degree, and tan 60 degree. All right, so sine 60 degree. Now, here is opposite over what? Hypotenuse. Take note, here is the hypotenuse, that is the longest side. Where this angle 60 is facing is our opposite. And here is our what? Adjacent. So, sine 60 degree is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? Opposite over hypotenuse. That is root 3 over what? Over 2. Right? That is sine 60 degree. Now, let's go for cos 60 degree, okay? Cos 60 degree, that is adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse, that is 1 over what? Over 2, okay? That's our cos 60 degree. And then tan 60 degree, tan 60 degree becomes what? Opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent, that is root 3 over 1. Okay, so if you divide root 3 by 1, you still get what? Root 3. Okay, so if I have a triangle like this, so this angle 90 degree, then here is our 30 degree. Okay, so 30 degree. Okay, here is our 2, 1, and root 3. Okay, now where this angle 30 is facing is our opposite. Okay, here is what? Our hypotenuse, and here is the adjacent. All right, adjacent. So let's go for do the same SOHCAHTOA. All right. So opposite of hypotenuse, that is 1 over 2. That's for what? For sine 30 degree. Okay. Now cos 30 degree, that is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse, that is root 3 over what? Over 2. Okay. Then for our tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree is what? Opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. That is 1 over what? Root 3. Okay. So now, if I have tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree over tan 60 degree, okay, plus tan 30 degree. Now, how do we solve this? Now, our tan 60 degree is given to us as what? As root 3. So we are going to write root 3 here, okay, minus our tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is given to us as 1 over root 3. So I'm having 1 over root 3, okay? Then over tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is still root 3, all right? Then plus tan 30 degree is still 1 over what? Root 3. Okay, is that clear? Now, if we check from here, I can still write root 3 as root 3 over 1, root 3 over 1. Okay, so from here, I will find the LCM of 1 and root 3. Okay, so what is the LCM of 1 and root 3? Is root 3. So I'm going to have here as root 3. Okay, divide root 3 by 1 is root 3. Root 3 times root 3 gives us what? 3 minus. If we divide root 3 by root 3, we are going to get 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay? Over the LCM of 1 and root 3 is still what? Root 3. Okay? So we divide root 3 by 1, we are going to get what? Root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Okay? Plus, if we divide root 3 by root 3, we are going to get 1. 1 times 1, 1 times this 1 here gives us what? 1. Okay? And this is 2 over what? Root 3. Alright? Over root 3 plus 1 gives us what? 4 over what? Root 3. Okay? Now from here, I can simply do this. 2 over root 3 divided by 4 over what? 3. Okay? Now remember that if you are changing division to multiplication, what happens? Root 3 goes up and 4 comes down. So I'm having 2 over root 3 times root 3 over what? Over 4. Okay? Now root 3 cancels root 3. 2 here 1, 2 here is 2. So at the end of the day, our answer becomes 1 over 2. 1 over what? 2. So if you love this video, kindly click on the subscription button and like this video. Thank you.